हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल वंस अगेन। सो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपका आज ट्रेडिंग बहुत अच्छा गया होगा, क्योंकि आज पर दिस ट्रेंड लाइन हम लोग ने ये रेजिस्टेंस जोन तक यहाँ तक आ गए हैं। सो व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग इज़ दैट विल बी हियर बाय 18th May, but means will rise up to 100, then 100, but Nifty today only rise 200 points. So that condition, that level of rise what is going on is not under my control. So but if you see the 13 days moving average high, so we are going the long above this. So tomorrow what is going to happen, tomorrow what is the next? Okay, so and one secret I'll tell you, Friday will be also, the move will be also like that. Okay, so take your position accordingly. So we'll see the Friday move like this, around 200 points or 100 points max. I'll tell 150 points it will go. So but as per my view it will go, but you take your position accordingly and put the stop loss accordingly. And now if you see here, we are in a long position. Today also it opens above this 13 days moving average high only, and as soon as you know, if it is opening 13 days moving average high, means it is long. Okay, it is bearish if we were 13 days moving average low. So now what will happen is that tomorrow may Nifty may open flat or gap up or what it is, but tomorrow keep the stop loss of 14,970 and you can short the market, short the Nifty. And Bank Nifty also same thing you can do. And so we will be negativity will be there till 11:30, then after that 11:30 there will be a consolidation, and till 1:30 or 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock we'll see again a dip. Okay, and the dip will continue till Wednesday, 11:30, around till 11:30. Then after that we'll see full consolidation only. So Thursday, I have till now I have not seen what will happen in Thursday, and I have not analyzed what will happen in Thursday. So but I will tell you, I will update you on Wednesday around. I will update you post analysis. I will update you. So now one thing, make sure if you are going for short, 14,970 or 980 will be your stop loss. And if it is a closing above this, if you see a closing candle above this, then please go long for that, and you can keep stop loss of this one. Okay, so this is where I am seeing the view. But as per my view, I told you, now for 2 days I'll be negative, and after that it is positive only. So this going to be easily break. Okay, around this this will going to easily break, and 15,400 is on the card. Otherwise, if it is not breaking, then price will oscillate for some time, some more time, and then we can see some break. Okay, and the invalidated point is this one and this one. Okay, this zone and this zone. Okay, if below this zone, then again some short will be there, and support will be this one. And above this zone we have the bullish move up to, you can count it from here to here, 1.618% will be there, right? So this is the move which is going to come. So and if you see also, some divergence will come tomorrow before sorting. I think in the morning some gap up opening or some flat opening where a divergence will come. You can see, you can check here. Okay, or tomorrow what can happen is that tomorrow gap down, and then after that some, I have not seen the SGX Nifty or something like that, or data also till now I have not seen. But opening is surely means opening I cannot tell, but after opening you will see some sell on rise. Okay, so this is the view, and keep your stop loss, respect your stop loss, and tell me about my views on my comment section, what you feel, and how you are doing, good or bad. And please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please share it with others also, so that they can also take the benefit of the views and get some learning about the Elliott wave. Okay, bye. Hope your trading day will be good for tomorrow.